Requesting account access is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. If you are a tax account manager, you may need to request access to manage your client's tax accounts. To get started, log into your MyDORWAY account. From the Accounts tab, click the More tab at the top of the page. Click the Request Account Access link located under the Access panel. Enter the ID type and ID number for the person or business you are requesting account access to. Enter the legal name of the person or business in the legal name field. Click Next once you're finished. Fill out the account information for the tax account you are requesting access to. You will need a validation value to access the tax account. Some accounts require different validation values. Validation values include the last payment amount, the last refund amount, a letter ID from an SCDOR letter, or line 1 from the last return filed on the account. Once you're finished, click Next. Review the information on the summary page to make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready to continue, click Submit. You will be asked for your password, which serves as your electronic signature. Enter your password and then click OK. This is the confirmation screen. Print or write down your confirmation number. You'll need it to reference this request. When you log back on to MyDORWAY, the business or individual you requested access to will be listed. You should see your business MyDORWAY account listed at the top and any other business or individual that you now have access to listed below it. Click the business or individual name to access the accounts you requested access to. The owner of the business will receive an email about the account request. They will also see a copy of this request in their Action Center when they log into MyDORWAY. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.